Welcome back, guys. I hope everyone is cool. Uh, so I was in the New York morning session. Then for the load shedding, I wasn't here. I came to the PM session. The reason is because of this price action, extremely bullish, and you can see the volatility. I warned you. Monday is actually the accumulation day, but here you can see the extension. Okay, this is really an huge extension. So from here to here, near about 144, and still it will keep going higher. That's my belief. It will keep going higher. This is extremely exceptional, and I warned you because the current news, the Iran news, you remember the president of Iran is died because of an accident, I guess. So because of that news, it's little bit difficult to trade. Okay, so the volatility is really unexpected. At the same time, if you remember for dollar index, I told that I'm expecting that dollar will go for that sell side liquidity. So I'm bearish for dollar. Still I'm bearish. I'm not bullish yet. Still I'm bearish. When dollar will keep going lower until this sell side liquidity, I'm bullish for Nasdaq. Over there was the last parabolic from 15-minute chart over here. So I tried to take and sell over there to this parabolic and it didn't work. Leave it or not, if I were here, I would take buy around that area. When market came back again to this inversion parabolic gap, I would take buy over there, but I wasn't here, so I just missed it. Why I would take buy? Because it's against the dollar index. I was bullish for Nasdaq. I tried to catch a move until this parabolic gap over here. I tried to catch that move, but it didn't reach until that area. Instead of that, it keep going higher. So yeah, I guess that was an opportunity. I wasn't here. That's all. Okay. At the same time, when I took that entry, I told you if you want to take entry, you will have to wait for a market structure shift. So you can see there was no market structure shift, nothing at all. So there was no setup. To ask me why I took that entry, I don't have any answer actually because uh what to say? I mean, sometimes I take some entries not in my real money but in paper money. To be honest, that's under observation or something like that. So I warned you before taking entry. So if I take an entry, that is obvious what I tell you. I tell you all of the time that this is a perfect setup. If it doesn't work, I will take a loss, and I'm okay with that. If I see some kind of perfect setup, I obviously told that. And when I don't take any entries depending on that perfect setup or a plus plus setup or whatever you say, without, I mean, if I take an entry without the logic you actually read, then I tell you that this is not perfect time. You have to wait for market structure shift or something else. Okay. Over there, that was the situation. I wasn't here, otherwise I would take that buy. That's for sure. You believe me or not? You can say, brother, this is hindsight. Now you are telling that you will take the buy, but to be honest, if you were with me in the morning session, I told you that I'm extremely bullish. And when around here market came there to this 15-minute bullish parallel gap, I was observing this 15-minute bullish parallel gap. I told that if market would love to go much more lower, this BPR is the last boundary. I told that, if you remember or not. Then market started to go higher, and I told that there was no opportunity to take buy. It was just going higher, just was bullish. Then here there is a 50-minute bearish parabolic gap. There was the last parabolic gap, so I tried to catch a move until this area, until this parabolic gap, but it didn't work. Instead of that, I got stopped out, and I guess it was not a huge loss, just $195 loss. Then yeah, I missed that move. If I could take that on, it will be cool. So I'm here. This was the all-time high. This buy side liquidity you see, this is the all-time high, and my target is until this 18888.75. So until that area, I'm bullish. Right now, I am just waiting for a 15-minute bullish parabolic gap over here. I believe that, I mean, really it doesn't need to do that because market has traded this 15-minute bullish parabolic gap or NT parabolic gap over there. Market the parabolic gap high. Okay, So price trade this parabolic gap high, went higher. All I would love to see is a down close candle, down close body close candle, which is going to be the order block. Now over here you see this consecutive order block, this order block. So over here, market from 50-minute chart, okay. This is also the order block, so market can reverse from there. There is nothing wrong to reversing from there. I will wait little more around that area until the 1 p.m. I guess. Then I will try to take and buy. Okay, I'm still bullish. Dollar index didn't take that sell side liquidity yet, so until it didn't take that sell side liquidity, I'm bullish for NQM. That's all for the introduction. Now the way I explain the price action, I believe that it's easy. Okay, it's absolutely easy the way I explained when market was over there. I guess it's easier for you guys to understand how you will frame your direction, which way market is going. Now if it is really little hard to understand, you can tell me. I will try to make it much more easier. I will try. Okay, so yeah, that's all. So over here, this is the market structure shift. Again, I'm not inviting you to take any kind of entry. I'm just trying to do my things, my job. So at the morning session, I take a loss. I will try to mitigate my loss one more time. If I can mitigate my loss, I'm okay. I'm good. If I take another loss, I'm done. So this is the breakaway gap, and this is the entry favorable gap right here. The entry favorable gap. If it can make the entry favorable gap, and then if I get an immediate reaction, yeah, I will take that entry actually. And I mean, why I will take the entry? Because market is at the macro already, 1250 to 110 macro. So though the PM session will start around 1 p.m., still I'll have the chance. All I need to see if market can reach to that favorable gap within 3 candle or not. If it can reach that favorable gap within 3 candle, I'll take the entry. Otherwise I'll just let it go, and if it go higher so far, I don't care. So let me mark. Again, this is not an invitation to take the entry. Okay, please be careful. If you want to take the entry, please just don't copy my trade. Okay, that's my request. 2.5. All I need to see if it can reach to this parabolic gap within 3 candles. So this is the first candle. I will give 2 more candles to reach to that parabolic gap. If it can reach that parabolic gap within 2 more candles, I'll take that entry. Okay guys, welcome back. Thank you Tamimi. Jackty, thanks for that. Penguin brother. Miguel, hey brother. George, hey brother, how are you? Sarjay, thanks for that. Penguin brother. Ryan, come back brother. George, thanks man. Ryan, please, yeah, just don't forget to smash that like button if you are watching this stream. Yeah, if you are watching this stream, please don't forget to like push your like button. Thanks for that, Penguin effects. Gold is best that time for trade. Which time you are talking about, brother? Let me know which time you are talking about. Buy limit, and stop loss will be here. Fine. Target profit, I'll just put there. This entry will be valid if market reach to this parabolic gap within one more candle. So after closing this candle, I will have one more. This is the last candle. If it came to this parabolic gap within this candle, I'll be in this trade. Otherwise, I'm not gonna leave this setup. Instead of that, I will wait for. Maybe I will let it go, or maybe it will fall. We will see what is going to happen. but I have I want to see that market will reach to this fair value gap within this candle. If it failed, I'm not interested to take this entry. Even if I miss this entry, I don't care. I don't think so. It will come to this fair value gap by this candle. So I will better let it go. Manu, what happened to last stream? Last stream was closed because of load shedding. So I guess this TM session is the only way to trade right now. And you can based that 1 million. What did you say? Oh, by the way, Ryan, then uh, 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 oh, Ryan and Lenny. Thank you, brother, for commenting. I guess you have commented some area where uh, I'm getting some followers to my Twitter. Really, thank you, brother, for those comments. You're still there. I mean, yeah, Ryan and Lenny. Thank you, brother. Yes, the comment who is the my funded future or something commented over there. So I'm getting some followers over there in my Twitter. Thanks for that, man. Thanks for that support, man. To be honest. Is that I commented in the yeah I saw it and really thank you so much, brother. I mean this kind of help I don't get it, okay, from everyone. So I really appreciate it, man. And I don't have any word to say, you guys. Thanks for that help, man. Why I'm still bullish? I guess I have already explained that clearly because dollar index still didn't take this sell and liquidity. This is the clean sell and all you can see. This is the hourly fair value gap. So price reached until the last fair value gap. If you look at this highest up close body close candle over here, this is the order block. This is the order block and the mean threshold. Okay, so price rejected from the mean threshold, tick by tick, went lower, come back again higher until this area. It reached to that area one more time. It should keep going lower until this sells a liquidity. So when dollar index is going to take that sells and liquidity, this guy should keep going higher. If I miss it, I don't care. Okay, because it didn't just give me the entry. That's all. I will see like that way. It didn't give me the entry. If it would give me the entry, I would catch that move. Otherwise, I'll just miss this move, and I'm not regret for that. And the way I explained over here, this is the reason. First, it has traded this 50-minute fair value gap. Let me mark that 50-minute fair value gap around that area. Okay. So this is the entry fair value gap from 15-minute chart. This is the entry fair value gap from 15-minute chart. Okay. After trading that entry fair value gap, first market has taken some liquidity, market structure shift, entry fair value gap, last fair value gap, or the breakaway gap. Price trade the entry fair value gap went higher. The lowest body close candle here is the lowest body close candle, which is actually valid as a order block. This is the consecutive order block. The high and the open of that consecutive order block is valid as a order block. Market has traded that consecutive order block high, has traded that, then market is going higher again. So I'm absolutely okay with that run, but still it didn't give me any opportunity to take that entry. I'm just cool with that. I will wait. If I get another opportunity, then it's okay. If I don't get it, I'm okay with that as well, because Monday is not actually for trading. Trust me, Monday is not actually for trading. Okay, so if it come back again below I'm not gonna push my button when it will reach to this parallel gap again. I'm not gonna push my button, that's for sure. But if it went lower, take some sell side liquidity, give me another setup, yeah, I will take the entry again. Where is my buy side liquidity? Market is at the all-time high, okay? Market is now at the all-time high. There is no price action until now. From the beginning of the history, there is no price action, so you have nothing to tell where market can reverse. Now I just marked that on, that is minus 1.5 standard deviation. My belief was, it even if it wants to reverse, it has to reach until that area, that minus 1.5 standard deviation. That's why I'm so much confident that market will reach to that standard deviation at least, then market will fall. So I will just see how it reacts. If it gave me a sell setup from there, no, I'm not interested to take that sell. If I want to take a sell, first it has to make a bearish parallel, then I will be interested to take the sell. Otherwise I'm not interested to take the sell. Simple. Thank you, brother. No problem, Ryan. Thanks for that penguin, man. By the way, guys, please don't forget to smash the like button. Near about 75 people are watching and just 17 likes. Not fair. Just it's free of cost. If you want to push the like button, it's free of cost. You can do that easily. Okay, you can do it easily. If any of you are new, uh, just subscribe to my channel. That's gonna be great achievement for me. Okay. Manu, sorry. What level of SD is that? Minus 1.5 standard deviation. Minus 1.5. Okay. Hey, Proterapath, how are you, brother? You didn't sleep yet? As I told you, I'm not just interested to push my button. You know that I was bullish, but all I missed is just entry. Okay. Market didn't give me the entry. When market doesn't give you the opportunity to take entry, trust me, always believe the market. He will tell you the story. If it really would love to go much more higher, it will first let you give a chance to take an entry. If it doesn't give you, don't force market to give the entry. Even if it left you, don't worry. Just don't push your button. Don't force the market to give you the entry. Instead of that, wait. Why market didn't give you the first opportunity to take the entry? That means there is something else that should be done first. Okay. Hello, bye. Hey Navatni, hello Sel. How are you, brother? Yes, is not at all-time high, so maybe we can drive some setup from there. I think so. Well, I'm just expecting that it is bullish, extremely bullish. I don't know about this guy. Okay, it didn't take the all-time high, so yep, they should keep going higher. Both of them, they should keep going higher. Okay, my expectation is it will keep going higher. It didn't done its job yet. It has to keep going higher. Other and until dollar index take this sell side liquidity, it will keep going higher. Okay. Why today I'm just using this dollar index too much time? I mean, in other days you saw that I don't see the dollar index. I mean, I see the dollar index, but very rare. But today I'm just seeing this dollar index. Why? The reason is market is at the all-time high. I have nothing to do, no price action, nothing. Okay, so I have to depend on something else, and that's why I'm using this dollar index. I'm taking my direction from dollar index. Okay. Okay, SD1 monthly, weekly. SD1 monthly, brother. You will know why I'm still awake. Okay, that's a tricky, tricky answer, pro Terapath. That's really a tricky answer. I will know. Okay, I hope that I will know. Bro, do you have video on how to mark buy or sell side liquidity? It's absolutely easy. Okay, Rakesh Kumar Dubey. Just go for the relatively equal highs, relatively equal lows. I mean, okay, I will make a liquidity video as Jack T also told about the. Oh, Jack T was asking for the inversion actually. Okay, I will make a video about the liquidity, but I don't know what to say about that video. I will try to make a video, but if it is a boring video, I'm sorry for that. Okay, but I will make a liquidity video. In my opinion, there is no liquidity except relatively equal highs, relatively equal lows. No other liquidity I don't see. Okay. Hey Preet, how are you, brother? Thanks, Ryan, for providing that Twitter link. Yeah, if anyone is interested to join me in my Twitter, your congratulations, you are welcome, brother. And I will tell you that if you just join my Twitter, you will be benefited. I can promise you that. Yeah, I tweet a lot, but all most of them are highly important because of your psychology and trading. Manu, I don't know what time frame you get that level. It's from monthly chart, brother. I have shown that lot of time, but I don't want to change my time frame right now. The reason is I'm just waiting for a setup, so I'm not going to change my time frame. That's from monthly chart. That's from monthly chart, and that is minus 1.5 standard deviation from monthly chart. That's so far the not quarter block anymore. Can I take a sell? If I want, I can take a sell, but I am not interested to take sell as dollar index is going lower. So I'm not interested to take a sell. Here I did one time and I got chopped up, right? I just took a sell from there, then I got stopped out over there. I am not going to take the same risk again one more time. Instead of that, I will just wait. I will wait for another buy setup. If I get another buy setup, I'll take that opportunity. Dollar index DXY is a game changer for me, brother. Learned to have more conferences before entering my trade. Absolutely. The dollar index is the barometer. So you have to keep that in your mind. What is the dollar index direction? If dollar index is going to fall and you see that Nasdaq is also falling, don't take any entry. Don't give a shit the beautiful setup or anything. But if they are at the both way, if they are going the same way, just avoid them. Just avoid them. That's all. Where is buy area? You know that better than me, Novotny. You know that better than me because you always look for buy. So I was thinking that I will ask you, brother, where I should take the buy. Tell me where I should take the buy. I got stopped out trying to short. Why was this 22 YT model not working? What do you think about the 22 YT model? 22 YT model is just not a model where you can just push your button after shifting the market structure. You have to first understand where market is going. So what is your bias? If your bias is bearish, then it should work. If your bias is bullish, then every lower market structure shift is a trap. Don't don't be trapped by the market. So it all depends on your bias. The 22 model always depends on bias. If you don't have any bias, you have no model, no 22 model. Can you please show me how you measured that monthly SD? No, I will do that. As I told you, I'm not interested to shift my chart right now because I'm just waiting for a setup. Okay, I will show that later. After taking the entry, I will show that. Do you give signals? No, I don't. No, I don't, and I will never do that because I know nothing about the price action. To be honest, I know nothing at all. So I don't have any ability to take the responsibility of your money. I don't want to take that. Okay, all I'm trying to do here is to provide my understanding or my knowledge to all of you guys so that you can understand what is going to be the bias for that specific day and how you should react with your bias. That's all. Entry model, then money management, everything is your job. You have to manage everything. Okay, all I will do, just I will show you what is your bias. Today, am I bullish or bearish? If I am bullish, why I am bullish? Why I'm not bearish? Now if I'm bearish, when I will be bullish? That's all is my intention to show you that. I believe that if you really know how to determine the bias, the rest of all is really so easy. So easy, perfectly easy. That's my point. Okay. Japan no signals here, brother. Yeah, thanks, Ryan, for confirming him, brother. How much money is required to start futures? Japan, how much money can do? Anyone knows the answer, brother? I don't have any answer for that question. How much money is required to start futures? If anyone has the answer, please write it down. I will just read your comment, okay? Because I really don't know the answer. Do you see the bull flag forming? I don't see any bull flag forming over there. I mean, so far I don't see anything over here. Now, as I told you, just skip this chart. Don't focus on this chart. Focus over here. Let me remove everything around that area so that's easier for you. Just focus over here to this 15-minute chart. What do you see from 15-minute chart? That's the important thing. Since you ignored, see you later. What did I ignore, brother? Rotator path. I really don't get your comment. I mean, the last comment was, you will know why I'm still awake. Yeah, that was your last comment. So what did I ignore, brother? I really don't know, to be honest. I mean, I didn't get your point. Why you are still awake? I really didn't get your point. Okay. Also, how can we trade at all-time high when nothing is up there? You have to keep taking buy until it proves you wrong. You have to take buy only, no sell, until it proves you wrong. That's all ICT told about the all-time high. So you have to target the moon. Hey brother, I was away on vacation last week. I like the new name and logo. Thank you so much, Tim. Thank you so much, man. Yeah, guys, let me know that what about the logo and the name? How is that? Let me know that. And Proterapa, to be honest, brother, I really don't know what did you mean by I will know that later. To be honest, depending on the broker. Oh, okay. So it depends on broker. Thank you. Okay, just a second, my friend. You missed my first message. Check your WhatsApp message. You will know why I'm still awake. What's the full message? Okay, it was not over there. I don't know why. I didn't read it. Okay, you unsent some message. That $11,240 all trades goes. I guess it's kind of his and lost. And brother, uh, I guess my friend got a profit near about $12,000 today. Uh, all trades. Okay, I will just read it later. Exactly, I didn't understand, but I think he has got a profit near about $12,000, something like that. Okay. I didn't read his comment. The reason is there was no comment. Reached 100K on personal profit and took $1 million challenge from Apex, and I need less than only 5K to pass the $1 million challenge. Okay, that's a great I mean great news. My friend quoted it, but he has reached 100K on personal profit. Okay, so he has already reached 100K profit, and he took 1 million challenge from Apex, and he just need $5,000 to complete that challenge. That's a great news. I'll just I will call you. Okay, that's a great news. I mean, he just $1 million challenge now. And he just left $5,000. Oh man, that's awesome. That's awesome. I thought okay. Out of comment now. Regulated futures, you should go to regulated futures broker, the like Iron Beam or inner interactive brokers. The minimum for day trading entry is about $500. Okay. Okay. Japan, you just read the comment from there. You will get your answer. Okay, brother. By the way, that's a great news from my friend as well. Just $1 million account, just 5,000 left. That's awesome, man. Does that mean he is 5K away from 1 million profit? No, he is not 1 million profit. I mean, he's not that. He's going to complete the challenge. If he can get more $5,000, he will complete the 1 million challenge. Okay, but he has earned 100K as a profit. So he has earned 100K as a profit, but after 5K, he will just pass the challenge of $1 million, I guess. Yeah, that was uh his message actually. I mean, if he comes back, I will ask him. So if he comes back over here or not. Okay. So the logo is awesome, brother. I'm sure more followers will come to your channel. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you so much, brother. Where is your buy side liquidity? My buy side liquidity is over here. 18888.75. That is my buy side liquidity so far. Ravi, hi brother. New look is a fire. Some new to follow. Thank you, Ravi. Thank you so much, brother. 1 million challenge. I read your comment. 1 million challenge is just in just 5K. I'm not sure what does that mean. As I okay, got it. Continue with your stream. I was excited to let you know the news. Thank you, brother. I really didn't get your message. I mean, I don't know why, but there was no message. Okay, trust me or not, there was no message. I just got it from WhatsApp. Long here on 1 minute inversion fair gap. Obviously, you can go for that, brother. I'm just not interested to take entry without any market structure shift, without any further price action. As I told you, this parabolic gap is not valid to take entry for the later use. So I'm just waiting. I'm waiting to see how far market to reach first. Does it interested to reach to that parabolic gap or not? So over here, this 15-minute parabolic gap, if it really interested to reach over here or not. Okay, I'm just gonna wait. Otherwise, I don't see any setup yet. Sujit, I need 5K more to pass the challenge. That's what I mean. Yeah, that was his comment. Oh, I get it now. Awesome. Yeah, 100K on my personal. Yeah, he has reached for 250K challenge from Apex that required only 5K more to pass. That's cool, man. That's cool. He's gonna be a millionaire very soon. Don't forget us. Just don't forget us. Okay. So essence is equal smart money concept. Love this, brother. Thank you, Ryan. Thanks for that, man. Okay, just waiting for the setup. If I get any setup, I'm cool. If I don't get, as I told you, today is Monday, not for trading. So I'm just waiting. By the way, guys, please don't forget to give me the likes. Near about 90 people are watching, but uh, not likes. And congratulations, brother. You are almost there. Thank you, guys. Just congratulate him because it's a great achievement, in my opinion. Because 100K profit, I mean, within 3 to 4 months, it's tough. Okay, to be honest, I don't know, but yeah, it's tough. So he has already got 100K profit in his account, and he is going to pass near about $1 million challenge. I mean, for 250K challenge, it's a tough job. So I believe that he deserves some congratulations from you guys, some greetings from you guys. Okay, I believe that it's a huge achievement. Okay, let's see how far it reach. Then I will see. Don't focus on 1 minute chart. Don't focus. Focus on 15-minute chart. You will get an idea what is going to happen over here. Still, dollar index didn't breach until this sell side liquidity. So don't get confused why market is falling, because this guy is going little higher, then maybe it will fall and it will take the sell side liquidity. Still that, still I'm bullish. Okay, I'm not bearish. I'm still bullish. Okay, please upload trade breakdown and learning more videos. Thanks. Yeah, bro, please do that, brother. Just upload more video, man, and trade breakdown. We would love to see that. And my personal or perform accounts are with TraderVet. They don't offer forex. Okay. Trading is really possible. The proof is brother T2SMT trader. Okay. And pro trader path. Nothing is impossible if we just believe and take actions. Absolutely. If you just believe, nothing is impossible. That's the thing. That's the thing. Okay. Thank you guys for congratulating him. It's a great achievement. And he he just got angry on me. He thought that I ignored his message, but I don't know why his message was not here in this YouTube. So when he messaged me in my WhatsApp, then I got his message. Otherwise, he could think that I didn't read his comment. Oh man, it's a great news. Why I wouldn't read that? Everyone, thanks a lot. You're most welcome, Protector Path. It is equal precision. Thank you, Ravi. Protector Path, congrats. You are the boss. Give me some credit as well, okay? Don't forget about me. Uh, I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting. Just waiting. Can't I take a sell? As I told you, I'm just not interested to take a sell here. Just not interested. That's all. Even if I want to take a sell, I have to wait for a bearish parameter. So if you were with me at the London session where I actually talked about the entry from the bearish parabolic gap, this is the same kind of situation. So yeah, I'm just waiting for a better setup. If I get that setup, I'll be in the trade. Otherwise, I'll just let everything go today. Why I came to this evening or the PM session, the only reason is to explain the price action, what is happening over here. This is a weird price action, and I believe it's only because of the Iran news, or the yeah, that's the only reason, I guess. But still, this is all about the algorithm which is working perfectly. I'm really cool with that. Okay, I'm really cool with that. Can I take a sell? No, I can't take a sell until this parabolic gap is not broken and market make a bearish parabolic gap from 15 minutes. Until then, I'm not interested to take sell. That's all. Missed the short. Don't be upset, Ali. Proterapath, how long you are doing this? Okay, that is the question to Proterapath. I'm unable to answer that question. I'm glad you kept ICT in your new channel name. It's kind of honoring the great master. I always respect him. Okay, I, the pro trader, but he know that better than anyone how much I honor him. Okay, he's the one. For him, I am able to read this chart, so I always respect him. Now it came to this bullish fair value gap. I will start to look for a buy now. Okay, it's a time to look for a buy now. I will try to look for a buy now. If I get any opportunity to take buy, I will go for that. All folks in the psychological challenge never give up. I believe that they even they want, they can't give up. They can't give up. Okay. hmm Waiting for a setup. That's all. It is equal T2 is equal trading terminal. Hey FX, thanks for that man. Oh my cat, how are you? Hey Capicius, how are you brother? I'm your cat. I'm fine. Thanks for asking, man. Yeah, thanks for asking. I'm just cool. Guys, if any of you are thinking that market is going to fall now and you are looking for a sell, please go for that. Okay. I am not just telling you not to take sell or buy. I am just here to explain my expectations. So what I'm expecting, I'm gonna explain that thing only. And that's all, okay? Is the low of the 50-minute candle at 11:15 a sell side liquidity if we were bearish? 15-minute candle 11:15. Uh, yeah, this is a sell side area. If I were bearish, this is a sell side area, not from 15-minute but from 1-minute chart. Okay, so not from 15-minute but from 1-minute chart. This is the relatively equal lows, okay, and this is the obvious liquidity. The obvious liquidity. So that can be the target if I was bearish. That was unexpected. It is going to fall. Perfect. I didn't participate. That means I didn't take any loss. Though I didn't get any profit, I didn't get any loss. I'm cool with that. As I told you, if this one is broken, then I will start to look for a sell, not buy. I will start to look for a sell if this one is broken. I'm fine, bro. Love you trading. Thank you, brother. So please teach us. I'm noob. Japan. He has a YouTube channel, brother. You can search I mean Pro Trader, but the same name you are seeing here. He has a channel. Okay, so if you wanna join his channel, you will get a lot of videos which will be helpful for you for sure. Okay, so you can stock his channel as well. I can tell you that you will be profitable. I mean, you are not going to waste your time by stalking his channel. You will get the same name in the YouTube and you will find his channel, brother. Japan. Okay. And also anyone else if anyone is interested. Hi sir, how are you? Please educate us why we are not looking for sell even MMS done. Jiji, I just explained that I was looking for this sell side liquidity for dollar index as market is at the all-time high and I don't have any other price action on that area. So I just don't, I can't say that this is the reversal point. This is the reversal point. I just can't tell that. So I was bullish, and at the same time I told that if this fair value gap is broken, then market make another 50-minute bearish fair value gap. Then I will start to look for a sell from that 50-minute bearish fair value gap. I need some higher time frame level first. As market was at the all-time high, I don't have that opportunity. At the same time, dollar index was falling for the sell side liquidity. So I was bearish for dollar index. I was bullish for this guy. Now here, suddenly market fall dramatically. Okay, this is a dramatical fall. This fall is unexpected. I didn't know that it is going to happen. Nobody knows that, I believe so. If you want to take entry around that area when market make that setup, I talked about that. If you want to take entry, you can take that entry. I'm just not interested because I got deceived. I mean, I got in a trap beforehand, so I'm not interested to get into the trap again, as dollar index was falling around that area. So I will just look for buy until market is above this 15-minute fair value gap. Now when it is broken, I will just wait for a 15-minute bearish fair value gap. If it can make a 15-minute bearish fair value gap, I will start to look for a sell from that 15-minute bearish fair value gap. Fair value gap. Okay, so simple. Mm, 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 mm. If it left this sell side liquidity open like that way, then come back again to this fair value gap. That is a great opportunity to take a sell from there. If it failed to take this sell side liquidity and reach to this fair value gap until that fair value gap anywhere, I mean, if it spent next 15 minutes above that sell side liquidity without taking that sell side liquidity, then I will have an opportunity to take sell. But if it has taken this sell side liquidity, I believe that I will lose the opportunity to take the sell. I'll miss that. Yeah, that was bull plug trap for retail traders. T2 bull plug fails are the best you can backtest, please. Akshay Madhav, thanks for that. But if you watch uh, ICT's video, you know how to work with the bull plug. From 1 minute chart, there was no bull plug. From 15-minute chart, there was a bull plug. This is the fake move. After the fake move, it fall. I agree with you. But this is at the all-time high. You have to understand the fact over here. This is all-time high. You don't know. I don't know. You maybe you know, but I don't know how far it will reach. Then it will fall. I just don't know that. So I will wait for better opportunity. All of this price action from Monday, unpredictable. This is unpredictable price action. This is called weird price action. So I'm just not interested. I'm not upset if I miss anything because most probably we should avoid the trading around Monday. Bull plug is kind of things. What do you think? It doesn't work? Absolutely, perfectly it works. But we can use the bull plug trap when market is in the range or inside some kind of price action, not at the all-time high. When market is at the all-time high, I am unable to read the bull plug. I'm just unable to do that because market is at the all-time high. I don't have any price action over here. So when market is going to fall, I don't know. I really don't know. Is this a market maker sell model? I don't know. Thank you, sir. Are you apply same 1 minute rule for MSS in bigger time frame like minute? Thank you, sir. Are you apply same 1 minute rule? 1 minute or 1 month? What is that 1M mean? Rules for MSS in bigger. Okay, I guess it's 1 minute. 1 minute for MSS in bigger time frame like need 15 1 hour. No, I don't. I need the perfection of the market structure shift in that specific time frame where I am going to take my entry. So I actually take my entry in 1 minute chart. So I need the perfect market structure shift in 1 minute chart. In little higher time frame like 15 minutes 1 hour, no, I don't see the perfection for the market structure. I just need perfection if I'm gonna take the entry to that specific time frame. That's all. You will not mark 18729.52 as sales liquidity. 18729.52 around here. Are you talking about this one? uh if market wants to fall, if market wants to fall, see this parallel gap, last parallel gap from 15 minutes chart, it is coming here. I don't need to mark anything over there. See this last parabolic gap? Market will reach until this last parabolic gap, until here. If market really wants to fall, so I don't need to mark them. I don't know what you are thinking. Still, I'm bearish for dollar index. Still, I'm bearish. Still, I'm thinking that market is going to fall. When market is going to fall, this guy keep going higher. It should keep going higher. Still, I'm thinking that dollar index is falling and this guy will go higher. So, but at the same time, I will say, as I said, this bearish parabolic gap, I will look after that bearish parabolic gap and I will see if it can make any kind of setup, sell setup from that bearish parabolic gap or not. But still, I'm bullish for Nasdaq. Hey Dio, how are you, brother? Those market conditions very bad. Lots of speaker of FOMC, etc. Today is bullshit. I mean, in if you ever see Monday extension, always try to avoid that day. It's just for your good. Okay? If you ever see the expansion in Monday, this type of expansion, avoid trading in Monday, please. If it is range bound, that's cool. You can trade, man. You can trade, but no, not in this type of situation. Avoid trading. That's the only word I can tell. Just avoid trading. Does a liquidity tapped? Yeah, it tapped, but still it's a liquidity and still there is liquidity. I mean, still that is called the obvious liquidity. Because that expansion early morning and I'm done for the day. That's cool, Dio. And thanks for that penguin, man. If you wanna trade with me, I mean, if you wanna stay in my channel, trust me, you will miss lot of longer run. Okay, this type of extension, you will miss lot of them. That's for sure. Okay, now if you are mentally prepared to miss them, stay with me. If you think that no, I have to catch those run, that run, I mean, any of this huge run, not always, but like if I were here, I would be able to take that run. I will be able to catch that run. But this run, yeah, I missed that one. Same thing here. I missed that run because that was around the what was I mean mm, lunch hour. Here it happened against my bias or against my thinking. I didn't catch that one as well. So I am waiting for everything when be aligned with my expectation. I'll be in the market. Otherwise, I'll just let it go. As explained, okay, Ali Silver Bullet, AMD, MMXM, it's on my channel. Yeah, that's his channel. He's just answering someone's question. Ali. Oh, okay. So Ali, you asked Rotator Path what you will find from his channel, and you are going to find Silver Bullet, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, AMD, MMXM. These three you will get to his channel. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Mhm. For a lot of people, the PM session has just started from 1:30 p.m. It has just started. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Did I get any subscriber today? By the way, thank you, Lenny and Ryan. Thank you so much, brother, for that advertisement. And you can see I got near about 993 followers to my Twitter. So 7 more followers. I just need to touch 1000 followers. The great mile follow. It will be a great mile follow for me if I can get 1000 followers to my Twitter. Ah, brother, everyone has 50,000, 100,000, and you are just going to excited by 1,000 only. Yeah, I'll be happy. But thank you so much. If anyone is interested, you can join to my Twitter and make it 1000. Okay, I got some subscriber. I got 7 subscriber. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Whoever subscribed actually make it 50. Okay, I got another followers to my Twitter. Whoever, I mean, thank you, brother, for joining to my Twitter. Thank you. We'll have 15-minute bearish fair lookup now. Yeah, I believe so. We are going to get a bearish fair lookup. So we will see how this fair lookup holds the price. It will depend on that thing now. I'm more concerned about this one, this BPR area. I'm more concerned about that BPR area. So, but looking at this dollar index, it's still bearish. I mean, market is extremely bearish still now. We will take our decision. It's a really tough moment, tough situation. Take entry around this area. Where it will go and how it will go, how far it will fall. No idea. Can we explain turtle soup? I don't trade turtle soup. Dope logo and name, bro. About time your channel blow up. Thank you, Gupta, for that, man. I guess so. One day, some people will know about me as well. I mean, I will heard about me. By the way, Mr. Patul actually, okay, it's falling. Let him fall. Okay, let's see how far it can reach. I mean, how far it can reach. I'm not interested to take sell around that area as market didn't trade any of this area. And also, this dollar index is telling me that market is going to fall. Yeah, it's just still a falling sell setup for me. It's not a bullish setup for me. Not even from hourly chart. This is the hourly parabolic cap. See, market trade that hourly parabolic cap. This is the order block from hourly chart. Here, this is the order block just from hourly chart. It trade that order block. It should keep falling until this sell side liquidity, this low and that low. They are relatively equal lows. This sell side liquidity is from 15-minute chart. So looking at this chart, it is seen that market is going to take that sell side liquidity for dollar index. So this guy should keep going higher. So I will look for a buy. Now over here, if I get a market structure shift around that area, yeah, I will take a buy. That doesn't mean I'm inviting you to take the buy. Please don't do that. Depend on your own analysis. If I get a market structure shift, I'm gonna take a buy. I'm still bullish, okay, at least until this 50%. So let me check. Not going to be a very nice trade, maybe to 10 to 15 handle, I guess. Yeah, I'll go for that. Same rule, same thing again. If it reach to this parabolic gap within 3 candle, I'm gonna take the buy. That doesn't mean you are going to do the same. Please don't do that. Don't copy my trade. Instead of depend on your own trade, okay? So please be careful about pushing your button, especially if it is the real money. If it's the uh, paper money, you can count. It's a perfect setup. If it give me the opportunity, I will go for that. And if it doesn't work, I will say that a perfect setup just didn't work. So that is my that area. If it gives me opportunity to take that entry, if it doesn't give me, I'll let it go. The way I let it go beforehand. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing. If it doesn't give me any opportunity, I'm not going to take the entry. So one, two, three. Within three candle, it has to reach to this area. I come from Twitter mention. Hey, thank you, brother. Thank you so much for joining me to my life. This is a perfect setup. If it doesn't work, I will say a perfect setup just didn't work. Okay, simple. I fear not the man who has predicted 10,000 kicks once. I fear, yeah, it's true. I read that. I guess Muhammad Ali was the guy who actually talked about that quote. So far I remember. Okay. Do you take partial or move stop loss to break even? What do you mean by that, Dennis? Do you take partial or move the stop? I just took a one contract trade. I mean one contract entry. So if it hit my stop loss, I'll be okay with that. If it doesn't hit my stop loss, sorry, target profit, I'll be okay with that as well. It will depend on the price action. Okay, it's not valid until market close above that high. Not valid. Okay, it's not valid yet. Okay, remember this is not the order block yet because it didn't close above that high. It's not order block yet. I will see if it can be a order block or not. I'm not inviting any of you to take this entry. Keep that in your mind. Just see 5 handle stop loss, a very small stop loss. Market should not close below the constant encroachment of that variable gap. It should not close below that. If it closes below that constant encroachment, I'm done. It will hit my stop loss. That's 99% if it closes below this constant encroachment. Okay, it's gonna hit my stop loss. I believe that. What I will do, I will just put little above. Below this gap. As it has closed below this constant encroachment, I moved my stop loss much more higher. If it hit me, I will be stopped out because it should not close below the constant encroachment. That's the rules. When it closed, I will just minimize my loss little more. There is 99% possibility that it will go lower when it closed below this constant encroachment. There is just one more opportunity to see if it is a fake breakout or not. For being a fake breakout, this candle has to close above the constant encroachment of this parallel gap. So it can be a fake breakout. So that is my last hope. If it is a fake breakout, I'll be okay. My stop loss is over here now, just below this constant encroachment. I moved my stop loss too fast. It's called trailing stop loss. I know it's not good, but I work with that way. So now my stop loss much more lower. I don't want to take the risk to be stopped out with little more losses. And if I get this loss, I'm done for today because it will be two loss in a row. I'm done for today. I just can't close my trade. The reason is it can be the fake breakout. Okay, I'm not sure about that. If it is a fake breakout, it can work. Okay, so I don't want to close my trade prematurely. Instead of that, I'll just wait. Well, actually, I can put it below this picture. We're going up, relaxer. Same price like you, but short. Okay, brother, no problem. As I told you, if you are going to take short or anything, you may go. Please, you go for that. I have no problem with that. All I told you that it's my opportunity, I mean expectation. This is the way I read my price action. So yeah, that's all. Actually, I will keep little more loss and I will put it over here below this loss. I'll just let it go. I mean, $15 is not a big deal, I believe. So I'll just take that loss instead of that being the stop loss, trailing my stop loss too fast. Instead of that, I'll just leave. I got stopped out and I'm done. Just no more trading for today. Instead of that, I will just watch. Mhm. We have some delicious liquidity below. We have some delicious liquidity below. I see that, but I'm not interested to take sell. I'm only interested to take buy, brother. Okay, so still I'm bullish because I believe that dollar index didn't finish its job yet to the sell side liquidity, so it should keep going lower. Still, I'm bullish for Nasdaq, though it has been rejected from the 50-minute bearish parabolic gap. Still, I will see if it can keep going higher or it just done its job over there. It has done its higher job today or not. I will take my decision. But as I told you, to me, to actually too short, I mean, to loss in a row, $120, $195. So two loss in a row. I'm not going to trade any more entry today. I will just wait, and if I get opportunity to tomorrow, I will go for that. Hey, brother, love you stuff. Why didn't you look at yes for confirmation? I mean, why I should look imminent before my confirmation? I mean, if I was looking for imminent, it's a clean buy setup. I mean, buy indication for me. See this high and that high, they're relatively equal highs. So all-time high is the relatively equal highs. So market should keep going higher until it has taken this all-time high. Let me show you that. This is the chart from mini S&P. This is the all-time high, and market has made relatively equal highs. So it should keep going higher. Take that buy side liquidity. It doesn't need to reach lower for some kind of things. So it should go higher. I guess I was little early, or my stop loss was too tight. Believe it or not, I'm still bullish. I'm still absolutely bullish. The liquidity is not for you, it's for NQ. What did you say? The liquidity is not for you, it's for NQ. Risk on markets, wait for risk off. Yeah, I can see that. It's it's absolutely dangerous to trade right now. But still, I'm bullish. I mean, see this low. If I had the opportunity, if I had the opportunity, until this low is not broken, this is the origin of the setups. This low is the origin of the setups. If market failed to take that low, and if it can close above this parabolic gap again, above this parabolic gap, I would take re-entry. My stop loss would be the same area around here. I'll keep it over here, okay, and my target will be the 50% on that area. But as I have just reached to my limit of loss, just two contract, I mean, so two entry, because of my psychological group, they're allowed also for two entry. I'm also going with that group. If market failed to take that low and came back again, close above that parabolic gap, body has to close above that parabolic gap, I'll be in the trade again. I would be in the trade again, and I will go for that buy. This is a valid setup until it breaks this low. That means if not even the week, not body, if market just fail to take that low, this is the way sometimes you see that I tell, okay, market didn't take that low, but it has taken all other liquidity. It's a confirmation of going higher. This is that type of situation. Nice that you are also taking the challenge. Very encouraging for everyone. Thank you, Kesh. How about going into discount first? There is no discount or premium for me, brother. I don't know how to mark the premium and discount, and I keep telling that. Question like new, what happened to channel name? Question like new, what happened to channel name? I have just changed my channel name, and I tweeted that beforehand. I have posted that to my YouTube community as well, that I'm going to change my channel name and logo from this Sunday. So I just put my identity. It is my name, so I just put my identity on the name of my channel. First, market has to close above this parallel gap. Then the entry will be valid. Before that entry, market can't take this sell, this low. Just requirement is just two things. One, market can take this low because this is the origin of the setup. Market structure shift, parallel gap, breakaway gap. This is the origin of that setup. This low should not be taken. not even by the week. Market has to close above this fair value gap one more time. Body has to close above that fair value gap. If it can close above that fair value gap, I would love to take another loss. Simply, I actually take an entry where my maximum stop loss is for 15 handle. So over here, this is 5 handle. So the first entry I got 5 handle stop loss. Even if I get another 5 handle stop loss, it's gonna be 11 handle, just 11 handle. Still, I will have another chance to take another loss. But still, I'm just doing that stuff, psychological stuff with my friends. So I'm not gonna push my button. Instead of that, I will use this one. Okay. So remember, if it can close above that favorable gap, now I'll be in the market again. Body has to close above there. Should name ICT the ghost of the machine. ICT is the ghost of the machine. So I'm just his followers, his student. Even he doesn't know my name. Is that you okay? Okay, guys. By the way, thank you so much for everyone for subscribing to my channel. Just need two more people to make it 5750. It's gonna, I believe that it's going to happen today. First market has to close above that fair value gap. Remember that. If it failed, this is not a valid setup. At the same time, if it has taken the low, the origin, this low, this is not even a valid setup. So just two condition has to fill. Again, it doesn't mean I'm just asking you to take that entry. No, please don't think like that way. Instead of that, take it as a study. Okay, I mean for education purpose only. So don't take it as a signal. Don't take it like that way. Okay, brother. It can work. It can be failed. Anything can happen. So why you are taking risk of your money by my analysis? Don't do that. Instead of that, read the price with me. So you are not going to lose anything, and you will get some kind of experience with me. Maybe it will work, it will help you for later use, maybe it won't help you for the later use. Either way, you are not going to lose anything. Please don't take it as a signal that this is the buy opportunity, something like that. Please don't do that. It's a pure consolidation over here, a very nice clean consolidation. Is there any sell setup yet? No, there is no sell setup yet. Ding, 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 ding. Yes, can you make it 50 likes, please? There is 42 likes, so just need 8 more likes. Can you please give me for 8 more likes? Sorry, brother. That week is not suicide. Which week you are talking about? Oh, no, I guess you're for some days with me. I guess so. You know what I actually mark as my liquidity. That okay. How did you know that I'm from India, brother? How did you know that? First, let me know that. How did you know I'm from India? Then I'll tell you from where exactly I'm. Sahil's daily log. Thank you for giving me that 51 likes. Now I just did the half century. That means 50. I don't have any opportunity to get the century, though near about 100 people are watching, but it's okay. Loyalty too. Thank you for lots of love, brother Shujit. Your accent? My accent told you that I'm from India? Okay, that's cool. I thought you were from Bangladesh. Yeah, the wizard is from Bangladesh. Thank you, Ahmed. How are you, brother? I'm from Bangladesh, brother. I'm not from India, actually. I'm from Bangladesh. Who took cell over there? Who took cell? Just let me know who took cell. I'm going to remove this line because if that thing happens, then I will go. Otherwise, I will just read the price. Uh, that was a perfect setup, just didn't work. And I was not interested to put my stop loss below that low. I never do that. I just put my stop loss around the level where it should not reach. So it should not reach below this parabol gap. That's why I put my stop loss. If I get stopped out on that type of situation, I just change. I mean, I don't change my direction and I don't take sell. I believe that market is doing that thing for some reason. After that, after when that will be done, market will give me the run. When the run will happen, I will take another entry if I have any chance. If I don't have any chance, this is not valid anymore. Not valid anymore. Now, tell me who is thinking this is a normal price action? This fall, that fall is normal price action. Who thinks that? 2 o'clock, we need the move. Yeah, that was 2. It's near about 208. Who thinks that this is a normal move? That week was liquidity. No, that was not the liquidity, Mano. Tell me, one guy, just tell me who thinks this is a normal move? Even the volatile day without news, like in Wednesday, Thursday, you see this type of move. Boom. I need a name, guys. I need some comment from all of you, please. I just need a comment. So why your chart is 20 seconds late? It is because of streaming. I guess so, Ashish. I guess so. I mean, everyone's chart is late. I guess whoever do the streaming, they are late. It's not 20 second. I guess it's 13 second late. It's streaming delay. I guess so. I don't know how to fix that. Guys, I need your answer. Who thinks this is a normal move? I mean, normal fall. That was a normal fall. This whole price action, this volatility, sudden fall around 208 is normal. How chow? Who is talking? Let me check. We have any news today? I think we had a medium folder news around 9. Yeah, so we don't have any news right now. When we don't have any medium folder news, at least no medium folder news, there is no news at all. Yellow folder news, I don't even see that one as a news, not a news. You can reduce it to be 3 to 5 seconds. I don't know that. Actually, there is no option. I didn't see that option, okay? There's no news, but the volatility happening on a Monday is not normal. Okay, I agree with you. Seek and destroy macro. This is not seek and destroy. Okay, this is not seek and destroy as well. It is all about the news released yesterday. I mean, the Irani president, you know, he has died. This is all the reaction from there. All of this price action is coming from that area. And I told you, I warned you beforehand. Am I bearish? No, I'm not bearish. Kept the C of hourly Fabrica bounced is bullish. Can you see it tapped the constant crossment of that 50-minute entry Fabrica perfectly? Then it is going higher. I don't need that hourly Fabrica. I'm okay with that. Fed speaker Mr. Speaking. No, Jen. If there is no medium folder news, there is no news which is valuable, which can move the market like that way. If there is no medium folder news, so lower folder news is not effective in my opinion. I think a Fed minister is speaking, but I have already told that if there is no medium or red folder news, there is no news in my opinion, and that news can't just move the market too fast like this. Just can't do that. If there is no medium folder news or the red folder news, it's just unusual price action from Monday. That's all. Mhm. Not good. This swing high is valid for shifting market structure. Why? If you ask me why, I don't have any answer. But it's valid, absolutely valid swing high, which is for shifting market structure, which is valid for shifting market structure. You tell me it's all about the experience. I can tell that depending on my experience that swing high is valid for shifting market structure. Wild price swing, absolutely, brother. This is wild price action. To be honest, this is the wildest price action in my opinion. But still, it is tradable. I believe so. Still, it's tradable. I mean, this run, yeah, it is unpredictable. I can't trade this fall. I just can't do that. I have no opportunity to trade this fall, but this is absolutely predictable. I mean, it's it can be traded. Well, if it doesn't make any favorable gap around that area, this market structure shift is not valid. And if it doesn't close above this one, this is not valid order block as well. So either way, nothing is valid yet. This order block is not valid. That market structure shift is not valid. Nothing is valid. After taking this sell side liquidity, maybe market will give you the market structure. So first it will take this sell side liquidity because it is making this sell side liquidity. It will take this sell side liquidity first. After that, it will give you the market structure shift. And in that market structure shift, if you get a fair value gap, you will take that entry. That's all. By the way, is that this is not the inversion fair value gap or something like that? No, it's not nothing. Now, if it can give you the market structure shift, that's a perfect. You will start to look for a buy setup. That will be a perfect buy setup. Another perfect buy setup. If it give you a market structure shift right now, it has taken all the liquidity, no liquidity left over here, traded this constant encroachment of that 50-minute entry fair value gap, cleared all of this liquidity, made this swing high, which will be valid. Then, because this is the highest high, either way, this is the highest high as well. If it can give you any kind of buy setup, that will be valid buy setup. Here, am I looking for buy? Yeah, I'm looking for buy. I'm not interested to look for. If any of you are looking for sell, congratulations, brother. Market has taken the buy side liquidity. Market structure shift maybe, then favorable gap. I don't know how do you mark your sell setup, but if you see any kind of sell setup, you can go for that. And this last favorable gap can be your target maybe. I'm not interested to look for sell. I'm just interested to look for buy. As I told you, if it give you the displacement now above that high, and if you get a fair value gap, perfect buy setup. And this buy setup will send the market until the constant encroachment of that fair value gap. Not that one. This one's 50%. Will reach until that area. Just need to get the market structure shift. That's all I need. Where you from, brother? I'm from Bangladesh, brother. Trust me, this is not a price action where you should trade. Monday is the accumulation day, and if you get the volatility, always try to trade paper money. Don't invest your real money in this price action. You will learn that if you are a beginner, you will take the risk. You won't listen to me. I know that. But in time, you will understand that Monday is not a volatile day, and you are not going to put your money into this volatile area. So you will see that big expansion, and I'm seeing this weird price action. So you should not be a part of this price action. You should not be, because it will hurt you, that's for sure. If this candle can close below this candle, then it will be a valid swing high in both way. A swing high on its left, swing high on its right. If it doesn't close below this low, I believe that it will close below, below that high. It will close below that high. I believe so. If it fails, this will be your highest high, which is valid for shifting market structure as well. But if it closed below that high, either way, it is going to be your valid swing high for shifting market structure. See, on its left, there is a swing high. On its right, there is a swing high. Both of those swing high are lower than that swing. So it's a valid swing high, which is valid for shifting market structure. All you need just a displacement. If you get that, just go in that trade with your paper money, not with your real money, just with your paper money. Ding, 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 ding. How long it will take to understand that we Monday is a good day to trade? Trust me, it's a good day to trade. But if there is no volatility, then if it is accumulating or range bound, you will be able to trade for 10 to 12 handle by your trade. Really easy to catch that thing. But if you get the volatility, this type of move around Monday, don't participate into this price action, please. Don't participate in that price action. Extremely dangerous. Extremely dangerous. You'll understand slowly, but you will be understand that. You'll understand that. Definitely you will understand. It's only for Monday, okay? There is something I always tell. Like in Wednesday and Thursday, I told you you don't need to wait for a 50-minute parabolic or something. You don't need to wait for that. So in Monday, if there is no volatility, it's good sign for you to trade, because you know it's gonna be a range bound. It's not going to be a volatile. So maybe you take your entry over there, you will close it over there, and you will see market reverse again. It will reverse again. It will keep doing that. Don't believe me, I know that. See, this is the Monday price action here. This is the Monday price action on my left. This is the Monday price action. Then let me go to another Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This is the Monday. Is that Monday? Yeah, that is the expansion day. See why that was the expansion day? Because there was a war situation. That's why it was the expansion day. If this type of expansion day, extremely difficult to trade. Then where is another Monday? Let me show you another Monday, normal Monday. Okay, so over here, this is a Monday. range bound. This type of range bound Monday is is very easy to trade because you know market is going higher, lower, higher, lower, higher, lower. But if it is expansion, something like this, very difficult to trade. I would love to see this high as my market structure sheet. Okay, then this will be my breakaway gap over there. If I get the market structure sheet, then this will be my breakaway gap. There will be some kind of entry gap. If it if I get the market structure, still I didn't get the market structure. I need see that market will close. I mean, a little weak will go above that high. That's all I would love to see. You go. This is the market structure shift. Now there will be an entry favorable gap. This is going to be your breakaway gap. Here, this is the entry favorable gap. The breakaway gap. If I were here, I am already in the market. If I were here, I am already in the market, even it moved higher or lower until if it come back again to this fair value gap, I would add on more over there. But here I'm already in the market because market has done its all the job over here. It doesn't need to come back again here. Could keep going higher now. Most of the time you are not going to get any kind of entry opportunity. Most of the time you don't get that entry opportunity. But if you get it, that's cool. Here, if it come back again to this fair value gap, I will add on more. I'll put here one more. If it come here to this fair value gap, this area, then here partially. If it can come back again to the constant encroachment of that fair value gap, I'll add one more. And that partial will be taken around 1300. If it doesn't, would this candle give me the market structure sheet? I'm already in the market. I don't wait here to trade that fair value gap. Instead of that, I just take the entry. And then later, if it give me another opportunity, I add one more. If it doesn't give me, I'm cool with that. Why is it dangerous? Because you will take a lot of losses. That's why it's dangerous. Losing is always dangerous too. Again, as I told you, if it come back again, then I will add more. If it doesn't come back, I will be happy with this one contract or two contract, whatever my entry. If I get opportunity to add more, then I will take the partial over there. If I don't get the opportunity to add more, I will hold my trade until that area, or maybe I'll trail my stop loss and I will just close it over there because 23 handle is more than enough. Yeah, it's cool. But this area should be taken a partial. If you have any opportunity to take the partial, take the partial. If you don't have, put your stop loss to the break even or close your trade around that area. Just you have to close your trade around that area or whatever. Okay, you just say. I mean, the way you manage your trade. But this is extremely important. That just remember that it's extremely important partially. Oh, as I'm little late delay, so I guess you didn't get my entry, but yeah, it is what it is. Until this constant encroachment, market should keep going higher. But before that, this high, this partial line, this high and that high, they are relatively equal highs. When market will reach over there, you have to take the partial, or you have to put a stop loss to the break even. I'm going to remove this one because it's already late. interested to add more over there, but I'll wait. When market will be above that partial, you have to close your trade, or you have to take the partial, or you have to put your stop loss to the break even. So here my stop loss is at the break even now, as I just take one contract entry, so my stop loss is at the break even, but I'm gonna put it over here to make sure that not looking bad. Okay, so that's why if it come back again to the break even, I'll be stopped out. Okay, because I don't have any opportunity to take the partial, as I take one contract entry. Here I didn't push my button. The reason is um, I have already taken two loss, so they are small losses, but I would love to follow the psychological group. Until this constant enforcement, I'm bullish. My stop loss is at the break even now. Market not give us chances entry. I explained that already, brother. I guess you didn't miss the part. When the market structure shift happened, in this type of situation, you have to take the entry. You can't wait to market come back again to the fair value. You just can't do that, because after the fall, big fall, market consolidate, make another setup over here. See this setup? Then it didn't work. Market went lower, take more sell side liquidity. After taking the more sell side liquidity, rejected from some kind of perfect places. Here, this was your first entry. See this candle, this down close candle, it was your first entry. Now how it is going to be your first entry, I am not interested to explain that on. This is your first entry, this is your second entry over there. No need to believe me, just back test this. When you will see extremely bullishness on your market, but you see sudden drop, then consolidation. Into the consolidation there was a setup, and that setup was perfect, a perfect setup. Failed. Market went much more lower, take more liquidity, rejected from a higher time frame fair value gap. Most probably it can be hourly or 50 minutes. Okay, after the rejection from the constant encroachment, but the wick has taken all the liquidity, went higher above this fair value gap. Just forget about this fair value gap, because otherwise you'll be confused. Whatever. Market come back again to this 15-minute fair value gap. Here, this is your first entry, order block entry. As you are waiting for this market structure shift, after shifting the market structure, you have to be in the market. You have to be in the market. You can go with one contract, and if market gave you another opportunity, you will take another contract when it will be reached to the 50% of that entry fair value gap, to the 50%. Otherwise, you are not going to take any entry. You will just let one contract or two contract, whatever your primary contract is, you will take that one. You will hold your trade until the most recent bearish fair value gap 50%. Most recent bearish fair value gap. Now I have only one fair value gap here, and that is this fair value gap. Just one. Okay, I don't have any other fair value gap, so I have to mark the 50% of that fair value gap, and I have to believe that it will reach over there. In the meantime, if you have seen any kind of 1 minute relatively equal highs, that is the perfect place to take the partial or close your trade. If you are unable to do that, put your stop loss to the break even. Put your stop loss to the break even. Get stopped out to the break even. Be happy with that. Be happy with that. But this area you have to take the partial. There is no other option. Is it hard to understand? Why are you not interested in explaining? Because if I explain that, you will be confused. Okay, you will be much more confused. And trust me, this confusion, you can't just let it go from your mind. Like if I talk about this fair value gap, what is this fair value gap called? Why this fair value gap is important? You can simply say this is the inversion fair value gap. No man, it's not the inversion fair value gap. Now I don't have any name of this fair value gap. I don't have any name, but this fair value gap is extremely important for me, because I don't know what type of name I should give to that fair value gap. this fair value gap is important. The first reason is higher time frame market reach to that higher time frame fair value gap. Around that time, this is the only fair value gap that market has created. Then reject from that constant encroachment, closed above that bearish fair value gap, above it, okay, just closed above it. When it closed above it, this fair value gap is going to be very, very, very extremely important, because this fair value gap is going to give me the breaker block. I mean, how to say, this is the fair value gap, which fair value gap I will use for building my breaker block. Okay, is it understandable or not? I don't know. This fair value gap is I'm going to use for breaker block. Now what can I say about this fair value gap? I have nothing to say about that one. I don't know what I should call this fair value gap. Maybe you can easily say, brother, this is inversion fair value. No, it's not inversion fair value gap, because if it was inversion fair value gap, that would be your entry. I wouldn't be so much confident over here. Okay, I wouldn't be so much confident that market is going to take that, at least that buy side liquidity. Finally it is reaching over there. I get that confidence because of this fair value gap and the breaker block. Because of these two things, I got confident that this is going higher until at least that partial, that is for sure, but I believe that it will reach until that fair value gap. At the same time, here is the BPR, so I will keep that in my mind as well, as there is some BPR. Okay, that's why I'm not interested to talk about those, brother. No, it's easy, thank you. Okay, facts and lies, thank you, brother. Why is the entry 1418? What do you mean by 1418? No, I didn't say that you take the entry over there. I didn't say. I told that when you get the market structure shift, take the entry. Just go before and read and listen in that part when I was talking about here. I told that I'm not waiting to trade that fair value gap. I will be in the market after shifting the market structure, and after just shifting the market structure, I put that tool over there, and I told that if it come back again to this fair value gap, I will add more. But here, this entry, why, you see, you are asking me why this is my entry. That is why I don't want to, I'm not interested to talk about this, because I'm unable to answer your question why that is entry is valid. It's not only because of just one thing. I mean, just let it go, brother. Okay, it's a difficult question when you ask why is the entry 1418. It's really difficult for me. So let it go. Instead of that, keep that entry in your mind. Okay, just keep that entry in your mind. Why you should look for that entry after shifting the market structure. Why you should not wait for an retest that fair value gap. Why you should not that. I explained that. Okay, so just take that in your mind. It will be easier for you. Uh, come every day. Thank you, Caesar. Yeah, please come. Keep coming. You will get a lot of things, brother, if you keep coming. Reaper if fair value gap. Reaper fair value gap. That's cool, man. I like your style and mentality. I didn't take the trade because I'm done for the day and have already locked my account. Congratulations, Twister. Thank you, brother. You stream daily. Yeah, brother, I try to stream daily. Uh, yeah, I try to stream daily, brother. Oh, okay, so it has traded this low, so I don't need to mark that one, as it has traded that one. So I'm gonna remove this partial and the buy side liquidity. Is it now another MSS here? I don't know about the MSS. Here you should look for the order block. Okay, you don't need to look for MSS or something. All you need to do is you should look for an order block. You need order block over here. Okay, Jack T. My friend, why you change your name, Chitu? Why, Ilmar? Don't you like it, man? I wanted my identity by my name, channel name. I wanted my identity. Thus, I just changed it to T2. But didn't you like it, man? This capital preservation. I love you. That was the word I was looking for, but I forgot about that word. Capital preservation. Absolutely, brother. It's called the capital preservation. Well, 23 handle, okay? Just 23 handle. My overall loss is near about 15 handle. If I take just that entry, I was in the profit. As I told you, I'm not interested to take any entry as I'm just competing with my psychological group. So yeah, that's why I didn't take that entry, okay? We enjoy and learn price action without taking a risk. That's cool, Ryan. Thank you for that comment, brother. Bro, today's morning stream you restarted again. I couldn't check. No, brother, I didn't restart, brother. I was just fed up because of that load shedding. I thought that I'll never come back again. Market is not logical at all. No entry going 100 handles. Absolutely, Manu. I agree with you. This is illogical price action, and if you ever see this type of illogical price action, avoid the market. Avoid it, okay? When are you leaving YouTube? Don't know exactly, but yeah, I will leave it very soon. Not this one. With 145. 145. Oh, okay. So you are talking about this market structure shift? It's not market structure shift. Instead of that, I will say it's a liquidity taken. So it was a liquidity taken, I guess. I mean, if you think the market structure shift in a longer way, it's too far, right? I mean, comparing with all of this price action, it's too far. I think you should not go this far. Question: what is the time do you use for trading and for look the bias of the week? Thank you for that question, Jamie. What is the time do you use for trading? I use the session, for example, 9:30 to 12, 1 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. For London, 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. So I use the session only for trading. Outside of the session, the Newark Hill zone, and that is from 6:30 to 7:30 a.m. Newark local time. So that's my trading zone. And weekly bass in Saturday and Sunday, I do the weekly bass things, and I'm done that time frame. I'm done about my weekly bass. Daily bass every day is different, so I change my mind depending on the price action. So over here, as I told, no, I'm not bearish, still I'm bullish. You see the bull run? Yeah, I have missed this run, I have missed that run, I have missed everything, but I am able to catch that run, and I am happy to catch that run because I know if it is a bad day like today, it is a bad day for me. Still, I'm able to be in profit. Normally, I take three trades. Just normally I take three trades. Here, this was my third trade, and by that trade, I was able to mitigate all of my loss with profit. But I didn't took entry. The reason is my psychological group. Okay, boom. Thank you, Caesar, for writing boom, brother. Superb stop. Thank you, Caesar. Thanks for the penguin. Zize, thank you, ma'am. Jackie, thank you. Ryan, thank you. Sister, great. Then see you tomorrow. Have a good one, everyone. See you, brother. Ashish Kesi, thank you, brother, for booming. Booming. Thank you, FX. 20 is enough for a day. I believe so. Great boom. Thank you, Lenny. George, thanks, man. Caesar Surge. Nvidia earnings also coming. That's why also MSFT Microsoft pushed nice today. That's cool. No, I understand, brother, but my problem is market should offer a logical entry before going 100 handles. Okay, uh, I guess so. Sometimes market Don't do that. You have to understand, and maybe you have to live those days. Love Gunfire, thank you for that boom, brother. Please don't leave. We love you, lol. Thank you for lots of love. I love that word, lol. It's mean lots of love. Thank you for that love, sister. Caesar Surge. Okay, Manu, I keep looking for setups and losing accounts. It's going to happen if you keep looking for entries. Then you will lose the account, it's for sure. Today 1050 setup reversal was nice. Tim, thank you for booming, brother. Christian, boom, thank you, man. The rejection from this constant enforcement, what I am looking for now, I need to check this guy. Dollar index is in indecision mode. What I am looking for right now. Here, initially I'm thinking about bull. Partially, I am thinking that it will come now to this parallel gap. This first parallel gap, okay? Either this first parallel gap or this breakaway gap. It will reach until any of this parallel gap. That is my first thinking. It will go higher, okay? It will keep going higher, but before going higher, it will reach any of this parallel gap. That is my thinking, okay? How to explain this one? I don't know how to explain this one. Am I thinking some kind of setup over here? No, it's not going to give you any setup. Here, this is the place where you should go to your second chart, 15-second chart, 30-second chart for a sell setup. Am I clear? Here, you are not going to get any 1 minute setup. This is that type of situation where you are going to see that market is coming until this first parallel gap or this breakaway gap. Okay, any of this parallel gap, it should reach until any of this parallel gap. But you are not going to get any setup from 1 minute chart. So you have to reach in second or sub 1 minute chart for the setup. If you get the setup from there, you will take that on, but you are not holding your trade for so long. Instead of that, you will close your trade from any kind of entry parallel gap or the last parallel gap from 30-second chart. If it is clear, I'm cool. If it is not clear, I'm also cool. Why I said is Nvidia is main player for NQ and options also plays important role in the Nasdaq stocks. Okay, Nvidia is coming again. I didn't know that. Thank you and good luck. I just began to follow you. Where is my brothers? Please congratulate this Jamie Guerrero. Ah, man, I'm sorry. I don't know how to pronounce your name, but I guess it's Jamie. Thank you, Jamie, and welcome to my channel, brother. I have one mini question. Long from 738 want to 795. Can I get it? What did you say? I have one mini contract, I guess. Okay. Long from 738. You took 738. You take a long from there. That's cool. 795. 95 here. I don't think so. I don't believe that market will reach over there. I mean, this is the last hour, and the last hour market. I don't think so, brother. That market is going to take that high as well today. Okay, I don't think so. But obviously, it's a weird price action. Sudden move can reach until that area. It's possible as well. But I have nothing to say, brother. My intention was until this constant encroachment, and when it reached until that area, that is a logical area. Okay, in my opinion, that's a logical area. Still, I'm bullish, but in a typical way. Okay, here first it has to reach any of this parallel gap, any of these two parallel gap. But from 1 minute chart, you are not going to get any setup. You have to go to your sub 1 minute chart. 250 macro can push price below to that favorable I guess also. Okay, yeah, it can do that. We'll see that, brother. I guess if you go to your second chart, you will see something until a setup until this line, that line. So you will find a setup around here maybe, and your entry will be until this area. So it's gonna be very small scalp for 12 handle, something like that. By the way, did I touch 750? No, I didn't. Oh, okay, I did actually. 5751. Congratulations, Hitu. You got 5 5751 subscriber. Thanks to all whoever subscribed to my channel. Thanks to all, okay? Thank you so much, guys, for that support. Oh man, that's huge support. ICT, brother, I as I told you, okay, as I'm bullish, but I don't think so that market will reach over there today. It can reach over there, but it's gonna be a sudden move. Otherwise, there is I don't see any plan that market is trying to reach over there. I don't see any plan. But I know I'm forcing market that 200 daily I want. Okay, brother, no worries. You're not forcing the market, I guess. It is going to fall, I believe so. We will see. Okay, guys, I am just coming back because around 3 p.m. I believe that there will be another option to trade. I'm just coming back. I need to just wash my face because I'm just feeling sleepy. So I'm just coming back. Okay, I'm coming back within 2 minutes. At the meantime, if anyone didn't give me the likes, don't forget to give me the like. It's extremely important. Ain't gonna come either wrong in hollow. That was the entry. Mhm, mhm, mhm. Lol, worst macro super. Cool, brother, it's cool. If the body close below this line, I'll move my stop loss. But first I need to see a body close below this line. What is the green box? That's the fair value gap. Okay, it closed over this, so I'm going to move my stop loss to the break even. Here, my target is the last fair value gap from 30-second chart. So this is the last fair value gap from 30-second chart. That is my target. Let's see if it can reach over here or not. I guess I put my stop loss little before, but it's still at the break even, so I don't want to take the risk because market has taken this sell liquidity already. I don't want to take the risk. If it closes below this line one more time, I will move my stop loss again. But if it can close below this line, because the first thing is the fake breakout, so far I got the fake breakout, so I need the confirmation that it is broken actually. So all I need to see another body close below this line. If I get that, I'll move my stop loss too far. I mean, yeah, I got it now. My stop loss is now over here. I just covered some little more profit. If I get stopped out, I'll be got stopped out. I'm done with that. My first entry should be here to this parallel gap. As I was talking, around that area you will get your setup from second chart. So that was the first entry. Here is the second entry, though I was little late, but still that is the second entry. Here market reached until that parallel gap. I believe that is it reached at 1 minute, I guess. Check. Okay, not reach yet, but it will reach to this parallel gap here. So it didn't reach over here, but I thought that it will reach until that parallel gap. That was my expectation, that market will reach to that parallel gap. I'm a little bad with my trailing stop loss. In this type of situation, when I actually late to take the entry from that area, I didn't take that entry, so I took the second setup entry. I moved my stop loss. Here I'm not interested to take another entry, but I believe that market will reach until this parallel gap. Keep that in your mind. Market will at least this parallel gap. That should be the parallel gap that will be traded. And then if market would love to go higher, it can go higher, but first it has to reach at least to this parallel gap. That's for sure. I'm going to see 30-second chart one more time. Let's find out if I can have another opportunity to sell. Not yet. Just consolidation, pure consolidation. I exited when I saw chop before. That's cool, man. Cool. You don't need to understand this much, brother. This is not a place to trade, Manu. It's simple, brother. I'm talking this from the morning session. Today it is expansion day. You don't need to understand this market. Just let it go. This is the only thing you can do, and just let it go. Just let it go. It's not a price action where you should trade. Simple, brother. It's just simple thing. Don't trade this market. Just let this go. Mhm. 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 This price action is bullshit. Just don't try to trade in this type of situation. Over there, that buy was cool. That buy was absolutely, that was a very cool buy. When the buy has done, you don't need to participate in this price action. Can it tradable? Absolutely, it is tradable, but you don't need to trade it. You need a lot of experience to understand this price action. What I'm seeing over here, see this order block over there, this order block retest. I am getting this reaction. This reaction has taken this sell side liquidity. Now this order block, the new order block over here, this order block should hold the price, send it back above this parallel gap. Now everything should be broken. This all things should be broken. This order block, this parallel gap, that all should be broken. If it doesn't break this parallel gap, now my stop loss will be here below this line. If I get a stop out over here, I'm happy with that, because this swing low is valid for shifting market structure now. So I don't want to take more risk over here. I'll just cover my risk around that area. I'm just unable to put my stop loss to the break even, because still it is reacting from that order block. This is just a reaction. All I need to see if market can reach until this parallel gap first. If it can reach to that parallel gap, then I will be able to move my stop loss. Otherwise, I have to take that risk. That $80 loss, I have to take that. There is no other option. I will just let them go, and I will believe that this order block is now going to react from 15-second chart. This order block should hold the price, send it back above this parallel gap. It's it's the obvious thing. If it doesn't work, I have to take this $80 loss. Now, is it clean price action? Absolutely not. It's not a clean price action. So if it can close above this parallel gap, I will put my stop loss to the break even. Or either way, I'm going to put my stop loss to the break even, because it reached until that parallel gap. The reaction from order block has done. This parallel gap should not give me the same reaction again. So I put my stop loss to the break even. I'm going to believe that it is going to clear these highs. These highs. Did I put my stop loss, I mean target profit to the highs? No, I didn't. Instead of that, I put my target over there to that rejection block. It hit my target. I'm just write it down. Boom. This is easy price action? Absolutely not, brother. Not price action. You see, I took sell, didn't target over here, didn't hit. Come back again this candle. When this candle came here, I took resell, because I saw the constant encroachment as worked as a last parallel gap. Get this market structure shift, took my entry to this parallel gap over here, to this parallel gap. Is that inversion parallel gap? Absolutely not. Here the order block reaction sent the price again to take the liquidity. After taking the liquidity, this order block is extremely important over here. Why this is order block? Now this order block is important. The reason is, this is the most obvious down close candle. Now I could go with this consecutive order block. See, all of this consecutive order block, that is also valid as a order block, but here this is more obvious. I could simply mark this order consecutive order block because it traded that order block, but for me this order block is more obvious. Until this high is not taken, okay, it has taken already that high. It has done its job over there. How far it can reach now? Until this last parallel gap. This last parallel gap or this anti parallel gap is now kind of obvious thing. Am I going to take another entry? No, I'm not interested to take another entry. Can I go for another entry? I have to check. I have to wait for the price action, and then I have to say, is it possible or not? Hmm. Here my stop loss is just below this fair value gap, just below this fair value gap. If I get stopped out, I'll be stopped out with a very small stop loss. This swing low is valid for shifting market structure. I don't want to see the lower market structure. If I'm not wrong, if market really would love to reach to that entry fair value gap from 30-second chart, it should not give me the market structure shift. Over here, it has taken the liquidity. See, this swing low was valid for shifting market structure, but it was actually the run for liquidity taken. So market has taken the liquidity around that area. It should not do the same thing again. So I don't want to take more risk. Instead of that, I put my stop loss just below that swing low. If I'm wrong, if market really would love to go lower, I'm not going to take any losses around that area. Here, my stop loss was below here, but here my stop loss is around there, just below that low. This is logic. If my logic is wrong, I will take a small loss. If my logic is cool, it will hit my target again. Simple. By the way, guys, you didn't write down boom. Wasn't that good? I know it's difficult, but still, I'm just. Market should not close below this consecutive order block mean threshold. So my stop loss is over here now. If I'm wrong, I'll take very small loss. If I'm right, I'm going to take a huge profit. This consecutive order block 50% should not be broken now. I would love to see market will make a fair value gap that will be unfilled. Okay, that will be unfilled. That's all I am waiting for. If market can make a fair value gap that will be unfilled, I am gonna be very sure that market is going to hit my target. Why that one is my target? This is the entry fair value gap from 30-second chart. So I just target that entry fair value gap. That's all. Simple. Now it didn't make any fair value gap, I guess. Okay, there is a very small one. I don't see this type of fair value gap, but still, as I don't have any other fair value gap, I will just keep it. Let's see if it can lift that fair value gap open or not. If it doesn't open it, okay, it didn't. So I'm gonna close it because it was not so clean as well. It's okay. If there is any other fair value gap, let me check. No, there is no other fair value gap. So I don't have any opportunity to mark up unfilled fair value gap. So I will put my stop loss little above, below this candle, opening of this candle. So this is the rejection block. You can see just $35 stop loss, just $35. This is all depending on the logic. I know I have a very bad habit of trailing stop loss. I just trail my stop loss depending on that logic. So here it is logical. Previously it was logical, then that was logical, now this is logical. I would love to go with the logic. If I'm wrong, I will take a small loss. Can I put my stop loss to the break even? No, I can't. Why? Because market can come back again to trade this order block. See this order block? It can come back again until this area to trade that order block. So I don't want to take that risk. I don't want to close, uh, stop out prematurely. Instead of that, I will take that $35 loss. Just how many handle? One handle, I guess three tick. One handle, three tick. Just one handle, three tick loss. Even if I close my trade right now, it's gonna be a five handle profit. So simply, it's nothing. Okay, all I am trying to catch that whole move. As per price action, it should reach until that entry fair value gap. So I'm trying to catch that move. Just covered that order block. That's all. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. If I'm not wrong, I will get that profit. Simple. Price should expand now because okay, beautiful catch on the first buy, brother. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. Macro 15, 345. Can we go to equal high? I'm not sure about the all-time high now. Okay, so this is now the all-time high. I'm just not sure about that. Market is going to make another all-time high today or not. I'm not sure about that, but this last fair value gap can be triggered. Okay, until this last fair value gap, it can be bullish. I don't want to take that much risk, so I just marked the entry fair value gap from 30-second chart. So here, this 30-second chart should be traded. Okay, yeah, that's my opinion. It should be traded. So this is all I can say right now, brother. I would love to see market will close above that high. If it failed to close above that high, I will put my stop loss to the break even either way, okay, because this is a liquidity now. Market has taken the liquidity. Remember how market has taken this liquidity and then it reverse. This is can be the same way. After taking this liquidity, market can reverse again. Why? What do I have around that area? What is why it is important? Let me go to 1 minute. Sorry, you're not on. Okay, I thought it has reached to this that line, last line. I'm wrong. Sorry for that. I thought it has reached to that last line. I mean, see this high? This is the last line of that bearish fair value gap. So I thought it has already reached to that last line. My mistake. My mistake. My mistake. Either way, I'll just put my stop loss to the break even. I don't want to take the risk anymore. As this is the last hour of Monday extension. Let's see if it can expand higher or not. Expecting speed now to the upside. I'm not getting any I don't have any expectation right now. All I'm expecting is market to reach to that entry fair value gap. That's all my expectation, but yeah, it should go over there with some speed, but I will expect the speed if market can leave some fair value gap open. So first it has to leave some fair value gap open, then I will expect the speed. So sometimes you will see that in my execution video I write it down. Now I need the speed. So this is how I determine when I am looking for a speed. For the speed, market needs to make some fair value gap open. That's for sure. Without fair value gap, open fair value gap, market is not going to give you the speed. Okay, market went lower, stop me out to the break even. Just going to remove it. See this situation, I'm watching the same kind of situation. I'm expecting the same kind of situation right now. This is a market structure shift for me. Let's see if it can make a fair value gap around that area or not. If it can make a fair value gap over here, okay, it has made a fair value gap. I'm just expecting a sell from, okay, I'm little low, so I'll put my stop loss over here. If I get stopped out, it's gonna be very small. Where is my target? See this relatively equal lows, or this low has taken by that low, which is kind of a shallow run. That is going to be my target. Here, this one, it's going to be my target. This situation and that situation are the same. I'm thinking like that way. If I'm wrong, I'm going to be stopped out with 85 handle, and it's cool with me. This should be broken. That should be broken. If it is not broken, 5 minute fair gap plays here. I guess I don't see 5 minute fair gap. Here is inside the bearish fair gap. All I seen after making this obvious high, market just take the liquidity. After taking the liquidity, market fall. So this is a situation where I am using the 15-minute bearish fair gap, which is actually holding the price, that bearish fair gap. So every single time market has taken the liquidity, see it expand higher. Look over here. After closing this high, expand higher. After closing that high, expand higher. But after closing this high, gave me a lower market structure shift. So it shouldn't. It is done with its higher job. It is going lower now. How far it will go, I don't know. Here I just mark this relatively equal lows and the unfinished business, that 1 minute fair value gap, entry fair value gap and last fair value gap. You get my point? Closed above this high, expand higher. Closed above that high, expand higher. Closed above that high, fall. It should have fall. It didn't fall. I got stepped out. The very small position. Another buy setup over here from 30 seconds. This is another buy setup. Just liquidity has taken another buy setup. Is that entry is valid? I guess so. Another buy setup. But am I going to push my bottom? No, I'm not. I'm done. This is already a buy setup. I would be in the market again over there. Is it good to trade right now? Absolutely not, brother. Please don't trade over here until this area. Don't trade. Instead, just watch the price. You don't need to trade in this type of situation. Market is just mad right now. It's just mad. But yeah, this is a very nice buy setup for me. It's going to stop you out. Let's see. Okay, brother. Okay, brother. What I am missing here? Did I miss something? No, I didn't. It's a very nice market structure shift. I didn't miss anything. So this is called the perfect setup. If this setup doesn't work, I'll say a perfect setup just didn't work. Cleaned all of this liquidity has cleaned already. This is the fair value gap over here. This fair value gap, see this fair, not that one. I'm just talking about this new fair value gap. So let me mark that fair value gap instead of that one. This is the fair value gap. New fair value gap. It should hold the price. Send it back for that high. This relatively equal highs, at least they should be taken. After taking this relatively equal highs, this is the high of that 15-minute fair value gap. Remember? So I just marked that 15-minute fair value gap. I didn't compare the last fair value gap as well. If I would go for that entry fair value gap from 30-second chart, it is also the very near to that high. So even if it reach over there, it will reach until that 15-minute high, I guess. Ding, 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 ding. A very nice clean order block over here. Very nice perfect order block on that area. See this high, I mean this candle, exactly that candle, I believe it's a word, sorry, breaker block. No, it's not a breaker block. Low, high, lower, low. This is the breaker block. So over here, this is the breaker block. Let me mark the breaker block for 30-second chart. This is the breaker block. I'm unable to write down the breaker block, but this is the breaker block. Price is in the 30-second entry fair value gap. Already price is in the 30-second fair value gap. My stop loss is over here now. This is my stop loss. Just remember this line. This is my stop loss. Just covered that breaker. If it hit my target, I'm cool. Make it 10 candle just. Yeah. See this down close candle. This is another order block. If it can reach until this down close candle, I'll get another confirmation to partial, or I mean sorry, pyramid entry or something like that. If it failed, no problem. See this area, around that area, this is an unfilled area which actually give you the expansion or speed, this fair value gap. As this fair value gap is unfilled, so you will expect some kind of speed toward the buy side liquidity, because this is an unfilled area that is unfilled. After trading the order block here, it went higher dramatically and left that fair value gap open. This kind of situation where you are expecting some kind of speed. If market come back again, close this fair value gap, you will start to look for again for the breaker block, like the way I marked the breaker block from, so from 15-second chart, but basically the 30-second breaker block over here. Low, high, lower low. This low has closed this unfilled area. This unfilled area on my left, it has closed that unfilled area, so I will look for the breaker block. That is my breaker block. If the same way market come back again, closed this fair value gap again, I will start to look for another breaker block. Though I don't want to see that, I would love to see expansion instead of that breaker block, because market has already made a breaker block. It doesn't need to make another breaker block around that area. Instead of that, it should keep going. And we are very near to 330. Around 330, market is going to give you the expansion, the boom. Around 330. It can be either way, guys. It can be either way. Okay. I mean, I can be stopped out as well. This is my stop loss. Just remember that. This is my stop loss. So I just covered my stop. My loss, I just covered it. I'm unable to mark the min threshold of that order block. If anyone is interested, you can mark the min threshold of that order block, 50% of that candle, down close candle. Because I'm in top step X and I didn't actually I didn't design my fib over here. I have to design my fib over here, then I'll be able to mark the 50%. I'm expecting some kind of move within 10 seconds. Just boom. Right now. Go and give me the boom. Are you kidding me? Seriously? Seriously? I love you, man. I love you. I love you. Another boom. Will you do some practical things? I mean, can you please write down some boom for me, please? I just expect something like that. Can I do buy and sell, buy and sell, and buy and sell in the morning session? From the morning session, I told you that, oh brother, please don't take buy, don't take sell, or if you're looking for buy, please don't take sell. Did I take buy, sell around that area? Buy, sell. Did I do that? How many losing trade I took? Boom. This is the fun, man. Thank you, Ryan, for writing down boom. And I'm going to close my session actually. And as most of the people are really so lazy over here, I don't want to work with the lazy people. Okay? To be honest, I don't want to, I mean, work with my lazy people. Just some of you guys just give me that boom, and most of the people just skip. Okay, no problem. I don't need to spend my time with for you all guys. I don't need that. I'm okay with myself. Thank you, FX, for writing down boom, brother. Christian, kaboom. Thank you, brother. Jen, thank you, man. Thank you, team. Okay, guys, why you are so late? I mean, can't you see that? Akshay Madhuk, boomka. Caesar, thanks for penguin, man. So I can do that buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. I can do that, brother. But I am not interested to show you that things. I mean, you should not do that. The reason is it's gonna be very difficult over here. Lot of things I just can see keep seeing a lot of things around that area. The same logic. What? Yeah, I took a wrong. I mean, I took a loss over there. Here, I guess. Here, yeah. I took a loss around that area, I guess. After taking that loss, I'm able to take more profit from the market. Sir, I'm from mobile. Oh, okay, Caesar, no problem, brother. I was just kidding, brother. Yeah, thanks for that boom, man. You are dynamite, man. I'm dynamite. Oh, I'm seeing another cell setup over here. Whatever. Now my mind is just spinning. And if I keep doing this, you will see thousands of line on my chart. It's gonna be difficult. So I was wrong over here. I told that market will reach to that 1 minute last parallel. Just let me come over here. I told that market will reach to that 1 minute last parallel. Remember from here, I told that go to your 30 or 50-second chart beforehand. Okay, even market was over there. I just told go to your 30-second and 50-second chart, target some one kind of, oh, I mean, sorry, lower liquidity from 30-second chart or 15-second chart. Now if you come over here, this is that area where market first reversed around that area. Okay, so here is your 30-second chart and here is your 15-second chart. I guess from here, yeah, and it is from here, there, there. Okay, so look, 30-second chart and 15-second chart, 30 and 15-second chart. So from 13-second chart, 30-second chart, there is no setup. But if you see in 15-second chart, market structure shift, parallel gap, take your entry over there. Go for some kind of relatively equal lows. If you see over here, this is all relatively equal lows, or you can target until the last parallel gap. You don't need to target until that area, because if you can just close your trade around that area, you are done. Here I told you that I'm looking for another sell. Okay, remember, just coming back here, that was another sell setup until this relatively equal lows, this low and that low, they're relatively equal lows. I believe that market will reach until this parallel gap. That's my belief. But if it, even if it miss, no problem, but until this relatively equal lows, there is another sell setup. Market structure shift, this volume balance, I will take my entry. I'll just cover this parallel gap. I will target this relatively equal loss. If I'm overzealous, this last parallel gap is my final target. I don't care how far it will fall, I don't care, but when it will reach, if I'm overzealous, then this will be my target. Otherwise, this relatively equal loss is my target. Is that hindsight? When market was over there, I told that I'm looking at another, I'm just getting another sell over there. Whatever. This all thing, when it will close this parallel gap, I will start to look for another breaker block, because still I'm bullish. Still I'm bullish. It's just trading the mean threshold of that order block, of this order block from hourly chart. We go to 15-second, 15-minute chart, there's nothing. This 15-minute order block didn't respect, everything's cool. It's done for today. For me, was the 206 candle a valid breaker? 206 candle, 06 candle. Why is 206? This one, are you talking about this candle? not 206, but instead of 206, 201 candle. Yeah, if you look for this 201 candle, this one, okay, this is a valid breaker. If you look for this one, it's not, it's controversial, okay. 206 candle is controversial, brother, but 201 here, this one, it is more clean breaker. This one, in my opinion, I don't know, I think it worked. Yeah, so if I just mark that on, this is the mohawk. That means market went little below of that breaker block, little below, but it's a valid breaker block, in my opinion, okay. I'm not gonna refresh something or something, just this is, in my opinion, this is a valid breaker block. So people can notice the breaker block now. Sometimes you should tell me, brother, please don't take buy over there, sorry, don't take sell over there, because there is a breaker block, you are going to be stopped out. Okay, another boom. Thank you, team. Robert, Robert, wouldn't you go long above 65? When you go long above 65, what do you mean by that? 65? Can you please little elaborate your question? What do you mean by 65? Miguel, you are too late, man. And there is 5756. Can one more guy subscribe over there? Then it will be 5757. I will keep it over here if I can see that 5757. Okay, just one guy subscribe and then unsubscribe me, no problem. Just first subscribe then unsubscribe me, but it would be very nice to see 5757. Chicken 65. What is chicken 65? 18765. 18765. Am I looking for any buy or not right now? No, I'm not interested to take any kind of entry right now, because no entry is valid after 345. So this is the area. Even if I take an entry, I have to close my trade around 349. So I have just 6 10 minutes, I guess. 39 49, yeah, 10 minutes. Now I just left 10 minutes over there, so I don't want to take that risk. Even if I take the entry, I have to close my trade around 349. So I'm not interested to take any kind of entry after 330. So after 330, I'm not interested to take entry, not even in paper money or anywhere else, because it's extremely dangerous. Like, it's forbidden, you just can't avoid that things, okay. Right now, if you are looking for any kind of setup, that's a very bad habit. I will suggest not to do that. Trust me, man. In a longer term, you will be profitable by these rules if you just follow these rules. No trade after 330. Even if you are in a trade, try to close that around 349. Just 349, close your trade. If you are in profit, don't worry. If you are in loss, don't worry, just close your trade. You will be profitable by this habit, trust me, in a longer term. Okay, guys, can you please give me some likes? I mean, if anyone just missed the like, you can give me the like, please. Okay. Usually don't look at certain price exactly. Yeah, that's also true. If that was your question, I mean, if I'm going to take entry around that specific price, no, I don't see the price. And if your query is, am I looking for entry when market is above that price or around that level? I'm not interested because of time. Because for me, first time, then price. Here, market has done its higher job already. I believe that market will keep going lower until this 1 minute last parabolic gap, because market left that parabolic gap unfilled. It should reach until that area. So I'm bearish actually until here. This parabolic gap, now I'm bearish. My opinion only, but I'm not gonna take any entry. I will just watch the price and I will see how it reach until this parabolic gap. Okay, So that's my expectation. That's all. Okay. By the way, Robert, are you new to my channel, brother? Because I didn't see your name before. Chicken 65. That was cool, man. Chicken. I love chicken. I can't believe this market can't win 10 straight point until it takes my stop loss again. Okay, Manu, it's up to you, brother. As I remember that I told you, please don't try to predict this market today. Extremely dangerous to trade today. If you ever see Monday expansion, avoid the trading. At least with your real money. You can keep trading through your paper money, no problem with that. But real money, avoid trading. That's my advice. If you wanna take it, you can take it. If you don't wanna, no problem. I'm not here to force any of you to follow my rules. I'm just trying to explain the things. I'm just going to close my trade after 18 minutes. So I'm done with price action. I'm not interested to read the price action anymore. I will just see how it reaches until this 1 minute entry favorable gap or the breakaway gap, the last favorable gap. That is my expectation right now. I will wait for that. If I see it reach over there, I'll be happy. If I see I'm wrong, then I'll be wrong over here. I'm done for today. Okay. So if anyone wants to leave now, you can leave because I'm not going to read any kind of price action over here now. So it's up to you. Okay. If you see a chart, can you know if ICT work with it or not? Absolutely, he will just refuse to trade over here, in my opinion. I mean, he will just refuse the trading. Now, if he needs to prove his wizardy, maybe he will take some trade, but otherwise, he will just refuse to trade in this market. Anybody who is ICT trader, every single person will refuse to trade in this market. Every single person. It's my opinion, okay? So don't take it. Maybe in the Twitter you will see someone will come like every day. They will come again with their profitable trade. They took a sell maybe, or they took a buy at the bottom and they close your trade at the top, something like that. You will see that in Twitter. Actually, I see that every day, and I really don't have any idea how they manage their winning trade every single day, just winning trade. I don't know. Maybe they are so experienced. Whatever. Except those type of people, in my opinion, any professional trader, not even ICT, any kind of is good student will refuse to trade in this market. If you see a chart, can you know if ICT work with it or not? What do you mean by that? I thought you were talking about today's price action. You didn't get the question. If I didn't get the question, make it clear, brother. That was the question. If you see a chart, yeah, if I see a chart, can you know if ICT work with it or not? Are you talking about Michael Huddleston, or you are talking about his concept will work with that chart or not? What do you mean by that? What is your question actually? If I show you a chart, okay, so if you show me a chart, not into any other chart, I got your question. Can you know if ICT, okay, ICT concepts will work with that chart or not? That's ICT concept is universal, okay. If that is a chart and people are trading over there, if there is a chart and people are trading over there, lot of people are trading over there, ICT concept will work over there. Whatever chart it is, ICT concept is going to work over there. Now, maybe it is not going to be so precise like the future market, because future market is the gentleman market. I I just can't tell you that it will work over there perfectly or not, but ICT concept will work over there. Can you check it, please? Which one? I mean, did you send me any message to my Twitter? No, I didn't get any message from you. Oh man, don't let me remove this thing. I'm just waiting for one more guy, 5757, but you are just removing that from my chart. You are not good. Ryan, are you there? Please block Jack T. Block him if you are there. Can you check it, please? I don't know what did you say. Check me. I guess your message not appeared here. Any of you here who is actually this? This is the message, bro. I don't know why, but your message is not over there. Okay, I mean your your last message. This is the message, and the previous message. Can you check it, please? So this is the two messages I got. So I don't think so. It's showing over here. You can send the message to my Twitter. I will see over there. Okay, so just send me the message to my Twitter. So it's very near to my target. Let's see if it can reach over here. Now, I don't know it will reach to this breakaway gap or to this anti-favorable gap. I really don't know. But any of this favorable gap should be traded. That's my expectation. Look at the reversal from 15 minute chart on my left. That's random, right? Going to remove this order block. Still now I didn't get your message, Jackie. Yeah, still now I didn't get your message. And I don't think so. I'm going to hit my target 5757. It's 5756 subscriber. It's cool. Okay, okay. How's today? Was not good. Guys, anyone here who actually subscribed to my channel today? Just let me know if any of you just subscribed to my channel today and still now you are here. Just let me know. By the way, it reached until that line. Look at the time, 350. So see the volatility around 350. I know it's not a huge volatility, but sometimes you will see extreme level volatility around 350. So please don't hold your trade until 350. Okay. Thank you, Sizo. Thanks for that boom, man. 352. Yeah, absolutely, brother. Why my message not showing? I don't know, Jackie. I don't know, brother. Sometimes it happens. Okay, I'm a noob of this. I don't know. As that's why I told you, please send me the message to my Twitter. It reached to this anti-favorable gap. I'm done with the lower run. But if it wants to go little more lower, I'm okay with that. But if there was time, I would start to look for a buy. Go to top step X and type CL. Go top step X and type CL. Okay. Go to type top step X and write down CL. CL. Crude oil. I guess this one. Stacking up the boom. Yeah, team, thank you, man. Okay, let me go to 15 minutes, make it 1 minute. Okay, why it is not crude oil? Yeah, Jack T, this crude oil. First, I need to know what is the barometer for crude oil. Okay, for example, for Nasdaq, I have two barometer. First is dollar index, second is Dow. So, what is the barometer for crude oil? I never trade this market, so and what is your question actually? Crude oil market, is this market ICT concept works or not? Is that your question? I believe it works. I mean, if you look at this price action, I will just keep marking something from just from daily chart. Okay, after trading this fair value gap, market went lower. This is the sell side liquidity market has made. Else I can mark this fair value gap. Very bad price action. The last fair value gap from daily chart, which should be triggered. That means market should keep going lower. Take this sell side liquidity, and finally it should reach until this last fair value gap from daily chart. Then if it has the power, then it will keep going lower. I guess so. Okay. Now I can't just start to to marks everything around this area. The reason is why it is not showing over there. What happened? Okay, so this is the fair value gap. I marked that fair value gap. Now if I go to 1 week chart, what is that? First April 2024. First April 2024. Yeah, this is the same level. So why it is not showing over there, man? I go 1 month. Well, I mean, just look over here. This thing has taken the sell side liquidity, went higher, market structure shift, come back to this last fair value gap around that area. If I go to 1 minute chart, I believe that I will get a setup around that area. Let me go to 1 minute chart. Not a good setup actually. I thought I will get a good setup over there. It was not a good setup. You trade this chart, this crude oil, but it is tradable by ICT concept, I believe so. Okay. There is a breaker block as well. This is the 15-minute breaker block. Relatively equal highs over here. This is the relatively equal highs which has been taken over there. Now market should keep going lower until this sell side liquidity. So far I think this okay, but this is not permanent or my thinking. It should keep going lower until this sell side liquidity by watching this price action. I can't explain this thing. Yeah, could be tradable easily using ICT. I guess so, brother. And really, if you ask me now, I am unable to read anything. My head is now not working. Okay, to be honest, I'm just done. I am unable to read anything right now. We will see that crude oil later. But is that something you trade? I will wait here only 2 more minutes, then I will close my trade. I mean stream. Well, 5757 instead of that, I got 5755. That's cool. This is the breaker block. See this high up close body close candle. Here this one. This is my breaker block. When market will close above that high, this is going to be my breaker block. It's affected a lot with politics. Then we should avoid that. If it is affected with politics, I think we should avoid that because right now the world politics is really very you know bad. Okay, very bad. If it can close above that high, this is going to be my breaker block. This one. I don't think so. It will give me any opportunity to take entry. But yeah, that was my breaker block. That's cool. I mean, it is going higher. That's cool. Did you see where did it came? Do you think bank holiday has something to do with bad prices? Absolutely, man. If there is a bank holiday, the price action will be worst. Okay, absolutely. Man, is that hindsight? Did I talk about this one, this family gap? I told that I really don't know it will reach until that one or not, but this is obvious. After reaching over here, yeah, that was a breaker block. I thought that it will close around that area, then tap to this breaker block, then it will expand. But instead of that, it started to go higher. Yeah, I know that either way we are not going to trade around that area. So it's cool. Cool, absolutely it's cool. Today was a holiday here in France. Okay. If there is a holiday, especially in England or USA, then it actually affect on on future market. Most of the time you will see a very sloppy price action. All of this price action from today, see all of this price action from today is extremely volatile. I believe that only the Iran news affect this market, just the Iran news. The president of Iran has died, and that is the reason for this volatility. That is the only reason. Okay. Yes, our holiday today. Euro holiday today. Okay, so there is holiday as well. Cool. If there is a bank holiday, you will expect low volatility. I mean, a very small price action, a range bound market, like for near about 40 to 50 handle range bound market. You will expect that type of market. Volatile market, if there is a very bad news in the world which can affect all over the world, this type of news will make the market more volatile. Holiday will always make force market to range bound. Okay, so guys, I think it's done for today, and all of this randomness is really perfect. Bro, do you think war affects badly for DXY or is it good for DXY? It will depends. If the war is between America with other countries, then it will badly affect on dollar index. If there is no problem with USA, okay, I mean the US is not involved with that war, it's absolutely good for the dollar index. Absolutely good, okay. Dollar will keep going higher, keep going higher, keep going higher. But if US involved with the war, then dollar will fall. It will keep falling, okay. So very random reaction over there as well. It is very long. I don't talk about this. Last family cap reaction, the entry family cap random reaction, whatever. Thank you guys for being with me. If anyone got anything from here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to make it 5757, and don't forget to give me a like before leaving the streaming. I will come back again tomorrow with the gold around the London session 2 a.m. in the morning. If everything is okay, if no load shedding, I'll be there with gold until the 5 a.m. New York local time. Okay, and I will try to come. Yeah, I will come to the AM session in for Nasdaq as well. Still, I'm really worrying about the load shedding. Otherwise, I'm cool. Okay. Thank you, Brand. Thank you, guys. So thanks for joining. Don't forget to leave the like before leaving my stream. Okay. So see you next day.